December comes only once a year, so come and join the festive cheer. With Tom and Helen, friends and family too, from ours to yours, Merry Christmas time to you. And don't forget to subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's the first time in over 6 years of working where I've ever had to actually take a sick day. But last night I came in, I had a bath and a shower of different temperatures. I got some, I think it was like vapor rub on my chest, and got an army of tissue paper and a bin next to me, and got ready to go for another very difficult night. But in fact, to be honest with you, it wasn't too bad. We got through it. I think I got some decent enough sleep. My work alarm's going off, but I'm pretty sure I got through it. Now, the only reason why you might be thinking, Tom, why on earth are you up at this time at 6:38 when you're meant to be ill and having a day off work, is because in my work I have to ring up before 7 o'clock. So I kept my work alarm on so that way I could wake up and ring them. So that's what I've done. I'm not one of these people who can wake up and go back to bed, but I guess I'm going to try. And then I'll roll the next clip when we're ready. But this is the 5th day of December so far, and December's been a fun month. Woohoo! So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. We got day number 4 and day number 5 today, so let's get cracking. Day number 5 was the Sorting Hat. And day number 4 was a new character to go with Harry. I managed to do a 3-hour live stream just to spend some time doing stuff. I still got my cough. I've just finished off this big old drink, so I need to get more of that. Temperature's not too bad. I got now some horrible spots on my face because I think of all the tissue paper I've been using to help myself breathe, getting rid of all that phlegm. And I found this in a medicine cupboard, and this thing is amazing. It's called Vapor Rub, and I've never used it when I've had a cold before, but my god, it's sensational. It's the only reason I think I can talk, because I can breathe. I literally, and it works. So thank you, Vapor Rub, whoever made Vapor Rub. But yeah, 3-hour video, live stream done, and then I'm gonna go down and make some lunch. I think I got some chicken soup. So, again, I can't taste anything. I've been drinking my cordial, and I literally can't taste anything. So, mental. I think even if there was vegetable soup in, I could probably get away with eating the vegetable soup because I wouldn't be able to taste it. But, yeah. Advent calendar was nice to open today. That was cool. And I basically got a little bit of the afternoon to spend before I have to set off. I'm going to set off about an hour early to pick up Helen, or maybe an hour and a half early. Just to try and get some fresh air. I've got some parcels to pick up and drop off, and I've also got some cool things to collect from Argos for the Lego channel, so I'm excited to do that. But yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. Roll the next clip when there is one. Bosh. Well, I felt fantastic up until leaving the house, and I think you can see why. Ladies and gentlemen, is what you leave to. If you leave your home in the UK at any point during December, 99% of the time this is what you're going to be faced with. So yeah, it's about 3 o'clock it just started doing this. It's now 4 o'clock. It has been non-stop. It has not stopped doing it the whole time. So that's been fun. I got about, I don't know, maybe it could be an hour before Helen's finished work for the evening, before I have to go and pick her up. So I've come about 5 minutes round the corner, and I've I'm going to go and pick up one of my parcels. I went to pick up 2 parcels, but unfortunately I was only able to pick up 1 because I got the address wrong of the other postage box. It was the one closest to me, but I'll pick that up on the way back, as well as something to eat for me and Helen. I might have like a homemade thing tonight, like we do most nights anyway, but I'm just so ill. The taste buds are still gone as far as I'm aware. The cold is not as intense, but my nose is just like full of cement, basically. Fever has gone down a little bit. I am still a little bit hotter than normal. My skin's very flaky and like scratchy, so that damaged skin cells like you get when you have a cold around your sinuses and stuff, and on your face, like flaky, picky, sting skin. It just hurts. But yeah, I need to get a tissue because I haven't brought any with me like a smart person. So I need to go and get something to blow my nose with because I haven't got anything on me. But I will be back in another clip, hopefully with Helen, but who knows. I'll see you in a bit. Peace.
Welcome to the neighborhood!
Yeah, welcome.
I am Haviland, your AR assistant, to support you in business and personal matters.
I figured you'd want to lay low a while. Trust me, they'll be coming for you. This is a nice neighborhood. They don't put that in the owner's manual. You see my wife, you did all this.
Finally back in my room at 9:30 on the 4th of December. Even though you're watching this on the 5th of December, so happy 5th of December. Got day number 5 out of the advent calendar box and put it in my bag for Helen. Of my Lego mock, we love seeing that. Mocky Frappy Wacky Wakachino. And I got some red point, but yeah, I'm excited to play the brand new Indiana Jones game. And the fact that we get early access is pretty sick. Of the vlogs, boom, it's time to go to bed because I gotta get up again tomorrow, but tomorrow is Thursday, which is technically the end of the week because it's the last day in the week. I come home alone. Tomorrow is Thursday, we get it smashed and in the books, and then the next day will be Friday, and we'll bring Helen home, finally. And that's why we do it. We count down for those days, and that's exactly what I do with Helen every week to get through each working week from September to now. That's what we've been doing every week, so we count down them hours, we count down them days, and eventually we get to the weekend. Now this weekend's going to be crazy, the vlogs are going to be a lot more different because we're going to have a lot more hours in the day to make content, so thanks for putting up with the first few vlogs. Mondays to Fridays are going to be tough, well Mondays to Thursdays are going to be tough for content. Friday the ball will start rolling. And I know it's a lot of waiting around because it is only the 4th of December right now. But by the time you're watching this video, it'll be the 5th of December. And then by the time it's the 20th of December, we will be rocking and rolling with the vlogs. I know that means it's technically the end of December. But trust me, the second we hit the 20th, things are going to explode. I'm still doing the best I can with working 2 jobs, trying to get you guys the content you deserve. So thanks for bearing with me. I really do appreciate it. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next clip. La bosh. What is going on, everyone? It is now the 5th of December, and today we're going to be opening day number 5. And we've got I think that's a walker, is it? Is that an 8080? I think that's this thing right here, ironically standing over number 5. So we're going to try and build that on the time lapse for you guys right now. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ellie goes, yeah. Yay! Go on, Ellie. You try. She can see it makes a noise. Stars. Ellie's opened her first advent calendar.